Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to change display language on your Google Ads account. Sign into your Google Ads account. In the upper right corner of your account, click on Settings and Billing icon. Then under Account Setting, click Preferences. Click to expand the display language and number format section. Then click the Display Language drop-down menu. Select your preferred language. You can also change the number format if you wish. Click Save. That's it. Your display language has been changed. This is how you can change the display language on your Google Ads account. Thank you for watching.